Hey, in this video I will show you how you can integrate your Gumroad account with Grawt. It is a native integration and it means you don't need Zapier or any similar service. Before I show you how you can integrate, let me tell you a little bit about Gumroad. So if you don't know what Gumroad is a platform that allows you to sell any type of digital product, and you don't need your Stripe account or your PayPal account. So it handles everything. It handles the delivery and also the payment for you, the checkouts and everything. And the good thing is that it works all around the world, so it doesn't matter where do you live, it supports almost all regions of the world. So if you don't know about Gumroad, check it out. And you can, as you can see, this is my Gumroad account, and you can sell memberships, courses, ebooks, anyone calls. So if you are a coach or a consultant and you sell calls, this is also a really good platform for you, and you can directly integrate it with Grawt. So all of your customers will be added to Grawt as leads, and then of course you can send emails from Grawt. And the other benefit of course is you can create the sales pages for your Gumroad products inside Grawt, and just integrate your Gumroad checkout with Grawt. Let me show you how you can integrate your Gumroad account. It's really simple. You just go to integrations and click on integration, and just and name anything for your reference. I will just name it Faraz Gumroad for my reference, and next, and then select this other integrations. Once you select it, you will have a drop down, and from the drop down select Gumroad, and then click on this connect button. Once you click on this connect button, it takes you to Gumroad. You must be logged into your Gumroad account, or else it will take you to the login page. Once you log in, you can click on this authorize. It is just asking for the permission on your Gumroad account. When you click on this authorize, it takes you back to Grawt, and you can see it is now integrated. What you can do is, let me show you. I have a few products inside Gumroad. So this is my Gumroad account, and I have multiple products there. What I want to do is, when someone buys this particular one of my product, maybe this one page, one offer, one sale. So I want to add them inside my Grawt account, and I want to add a tag. And then of course I can do more things like sending an email and all that. So to integrate it further, click on workflows, and let's create a new workflow for this demonstration. Let's name it Gumroad workflow, or actually I can say Gumroad sales maybe. So once you are inside the workflow and you click on configure trigger, you will notice that we have added two more triggers: product purchased and product refunded, because we have plans to add more payment services inside Grawt. From there, what I want, when someone purchases a product from my Gumroad account, I want them to be inside my Grawt account. So I will select this product purchase, and from this drop down I will select my Gumroad account that I just had added. So once I select this account, you see that this new drop down, it picks all of my product from Gumroad account. So you can see all of these products are fetched by Grawt automatically, and so it's really simple. You just need to select the product. What I want, if someone buys this particular product, I want them to actually I want this workflow to be triggered. As simple as that. So I will hit this set trigger, and now I am all set. What I want, when someone buys this product, I want to add a tag, and let's click on this and select a tag. If you don't have any tag, you can add them. I created this one page buyers, and we'll save it. So what will happen, let me tell you again. Once someone buy this one page one offer product from Gumroad, they will be added to my Grawt account, and also will be added this tag, one page buyers. I can now if I want, I can send them an email as well, or I can do anything. And of course we can send them email broadcast later on as well. Once you have completed your workflow, don't forget to activate it. So now this is activated, and that's all. So this is how simple is to integrate with to integrate your Gumroad account with Grawt. I hope you like this video and this video helps you. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.